Hi there, welcome to our video on how to use Shopify Data Layer without an app. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a range of features to help merchants sell their products online. One of the key features of Shopify is its Data Layer, which allows you to track important information about your customers and their behavior on your website. However, many users may not know how to implement the Data Layer without using third-party apps. In this video, we'll provide step-by-step instruction on how to do just that. So let's get started. The data layer is a structured format for collecting and sharing data about user behavior and action on an e-commerce website. The data layer is typically a JavaScript object that is added the website HTML code and contains key value of data. Here is the data layer structure, data layer push, and here is the key and here is the value. Here is the product name and the product name. Here is the name and value. Here is the ID and value. Price, brand, category, variance. Okay. E-commerce events. The data layers can store information about e-commerce events such as product view, add to cart events, and purchase. This information can be used to track the effectiveness of marketing campaign and optimize the website for better performance. Using the data layer is essential for any Shopify store owner who wants to improve their website's tracking capabilities. By having access to this information, you can better understand your customers and their behavior, which can help you to make informed decisions about your marketing and sales strategies. Here are some examples of the types of the data might be stored in an e-commerce store. Like product information, the data layer can store information about the product being sold on the website, such as product name, SKU, price, and availability. This information can be used to track products, view, add to cart events, and purchase. If I visit any product, if I go to the store, if I visit the product, there is a product ID and product name. This is the product name. The ID is not showing, but it's working on backend. The product brand, and category, variant, price. Okay, here is the price and quantity. How much product have on your store inventory. Here is the quantity, variant ID, product ID. Okay, this is the product information. And user information, the data layer can store information about users such as their name, email address, and order history. This information can be used to track user behavior and personalize the user experience. And why need user information? User information is important in e-commerce because it allows website owner and marketers to better understand their customers and create a more personalized and effective user experience. If I visit my store and I go to the tag manager preview option, what happened without data layer on our store? Now I am going to the connect. I have already added the tag manager on our store. For the reason is showing the connected. Don't worry, I will show you how to set up this. If I visit any single product, go to the tag assistant, add to cart any product, view cart, remove cart. If I go to the tag assistant, and as you can see, here is the not event is fired. I have added a product and remove product and view cart, but it's not firing any events. And if I go to the variables, here is no variables, data layer. Here is no data. Here is the no data. For the reason we can't track without the data layer on our user behavior on our product details. Okay. Now let's move on to the implementation, how to set up the data layer on our store without any third-party app. And you need to any paid data layer script, and I have already skipped. This is the paid. Okay, this is the premium data layer script, and now I am showing how to use this. First, we need to go to the themes and go to the edit code option and copy this code, render head. And I'm removing the Google Tag Manager script. Okay, and paste the head render code. If I go to and as you can see, here is I have provided a screenshot how to use this, how to paste this code. And now I can go to the body head, copy the code, and go to and here is the step by step themes, action, edit code, layout, theme.liquid file. Okay, I'm clicking the double head and double click on the head, and where is our body section? Here is the body section. Just enter and paste the code and save. Now second step is snippet page data layer, and we need to create the free snippets. Here is the 3 snippets. Here is the first snippets. Go to the theme section and now go to the snippets, add new snippets and paste the snippets name and done. And copy the wall snippets script, copy and paste on the wall body in liquid. Okay, now we need to replace the GTM container ID. If I go to the Google Tag Manager, you know how to create the Google Tag Manager. It's very easily you can create. Just go to the tagmanager.google.com and enter your store name, company name, and you can easily create the Google Tag Manager container. I am copy the container ID, go to the body in theme option and I'm replacing the container ID and now save. Again go to the checkout, create the checkout snippets, copy, go to the theme section and paste. Now go to the script option and copy the wall snippets script and copy and go to the Shopify store, just paste and again we need to replace your container ID. Copy the container ID and replace the container ID. Save. Now go to the go to this data layer file and now we need to copy the data layer snippets and paste the snippets and copy the snippets code and go to the theme section, paste the snippets code and copy the again container ID and replace the container ID and again and save. Our snippets created is done. Now I am exit your Shopify store and copy the checkout, copy the full checkout code. Now copy, here is the we need to the 3 times of change the tag manager ID and go to the setting and checkout accounts and I'm removing the Google Tag Manager and paste the code and replace the GTM container ID, copy the GTM container ID and replace the container ID. Here this is one and here is another. I'm replacing the container ID and also here is the our work is done. Now we need to check our data layer is enabled or not. If I go to the preview option by using Google Tag Manager, go to the preview and connect with our store and here is our website and the tag assistant is connected. If I visit any product and if I go to the backend, as you can see here is our view item event is fired. Here is our event is fired and here is the showing the variables. Here the data layer is perfectly working. Our data layer is perfectly working. If I add to cart, again add to cart. If I visit the another product and view cart and remove the remove the product from cart. If I again go to the tag assistant and as you can see here is the remove from cart event is working. Okay, event is working and view cart is all data layer is perfectly working. Now we can track easily our Shopify store. I'm purchasing a product and I am providing my information and continue to purchase, continue to payment and I am provide the any fake information for testing purpose. Your order is being processed or purchase is successfully done. If I visit the tag assistant, go to and as you can see here is the purchase event is fired. Oh my god, here is our event name, event ID, here is our all data layer, here is the products array. Everything is perfectly working. As you can see here is our data layer is perfectly working. This was today's video on how to set up data layer. Hope you understand. If you have any queries related to data layer setup, please let me know and don't hesitate to contact me directly for any need. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.